Hi, it's Juliet from WTI. I honestly don't have a problem knowing which pills I have to take on which day, but I do have a major problem with clutter. That is why I got this Ezy Dose pill dispenser. I found that I had so many bottles of supplements everywhere and it was beginning to really annoy me. But if I didn't have the supplements out on my counter, I honestly would not remember to take them each day. So this has been a major problem solver. It is super easy to use. You just pop open and there you go. You take the pills that you need. Sometimes I do forget if I have taken them. I've had a busy day and it is helpful that if it's gone, I know I've taken it. So that is really great. It's very sturdy. I've washed it a few times. It's easy to wash. It has a few holes in the back. So I do find that it doesn't stay super damp. It dries out quickly, which is great because you don't want to be putting your pills in something that's wet. So they open and close super easily. It is a great way to just organize your pills and get some clutter off of the counter if that's what you're looking for. So I definitely recommend it, and that is my point of view.